Hello everybody! Today we are at the Dubai Autodrome for an exciting night race with the Abarth Middle East. We'll be driving the Abarth 595 and racing against other teams. I really hope we can win. Follow us for a quick race. The Abarth 595 is truly a pocket rocket. It has a small 1.4-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine that generates over 180 horsepower. The maximum speed is 225 kilometers an hour, and the 0 to 100 acceleration is clocked at 6.9 seconds. In the front, we have xenon headlights with polyepileptic front character. Not only the Abarth 595 accelerates real fast, it sounds really nice as well. It is equipped with a record Monza performance exhaust system with quad tips. It has a 5-speed sequential robotized transmission. The steering wheel has premium carbon fiber finish, red, tan and black colored leather seats. It was a team effort, but luckily Team Auto Drift with a tiny margin. Join us next time in another car. Autodrift.ae